Walk on the net. I walked on the net and I'm bigger than you. You can do it. Look. Riley. Come on. There you go. Come on. Look up here. This is cool, huh? What's that? You wanna go get on that? Look, Mommy will do it. Whoa! Come on. No. Come on. You wanna hold my hand?
Yeah.
Come here. Here. No? You wanna go down the slide? You go about yourself? Riley. Go on. Go up the ramp. I'll be up here waiting on you.
Charlie, you don't go that way, okay? Yeah, we're not big enough for that.
You did it.
Here, I'll take it. Charlie, Mommy will grab it, okay?
Riley. Wave. Riley. Look at you climbing up there by yourself. Good job.
Wait, what's this one?
It smells like farm animals. There must be a farm around here somewhere.
Oh, Mom, there's a water.
Yeah, it's not good on that one.
Yeah.
No, you don't like that? Mommy will get on it.
Huh?
Mommy will get on it. Let me get on it. You wanna come with Mommy?
Yeah.
Come on. Let me hold your hand.
Yeah. I'm scared. My arms.
I got you. You climb that rope ladder all by yourself, and you're scared of getting on here? Come on. Yeah, get on here. You get on there.
No.
No. You're not ready to get on there yet? No, you didn't hold my, I didn't hold your hand before.
No, hold me hand.
Go on.
And do it.
Let's go check
Yeah,
it
go
out.
ahead.
No,
Let me go with you.
Yes.
All right, I'll let you go. Ain't this cool?
Yeah.
Come on.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
You don't want me to move?
Yeah. No. I'll play with the little boy.
Let's go all the way around. You can jump like a trampoline. You went on the net. All right. You get back on it? You end up all by yourself now. Look at you getting on there by yourself. Isn't that fun?
I'm busy.
Come on. You're doing good. What's in there? One's over there. All right.
Hold on, Bubba. Watch out. Go down the slide.
Come on. You're doing great. It's wiggling. Come on, Bradley. You got it.
Oh no. The anticipation.
You did it. Here. You got it. Come on. It wiggles. Where does this go? Out the other side.
What?
I was wondering where that went, and it goes out the other side. You're almost up there.
Yeah. Mommy, go up here.
Let me come in there. just told me to come up here.
This Fire Island.
Is that Pirate Island?
Get our treasures.
You're not gonna let me get your treasure?
No.
What's up there? What's up on top of the pirate ship?
I'm scared.
You're scared? Pirates ain't supposed to be scared. You want to hold my hand?
Yeah.
Come here. I'm over here. That's a cool pirate slide. I'm that? Hey, there's a spider web rope. You want to climb that? Yeah. You can walk across it? No. Ooh, what is that?
Hey, Trip.
You want me to help you up there?
Yeah.
That's a cool swing.
Will you push me?
Push you? Okay.
Will you please?
Oh! Oh, it's chained to the bottom. You can't really push. It's not really a swing. It's just like a little swing.
Oh. Try it again.
Try again. That's as far as it does.
I'm scared.
You're not scared. You're being silly. You gonna slide down the wooden slide?
Yeah.
Come on.
And have fun. What's that?
I don't know.
Oh, kid.
It's another kid.
Yeah. Now we're ready to go. 3, 2, and go.
Come on.
Go away. Mama, I'm scared.
You're not scared. That'd be fine. Lay down. Lay down. I'll push you a little bit.
Okay.
That looks relaxing. You could take a nap on that, couldn't you?
Yeah. Someone put me off of here.
You can get up. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, you haven't been on this yet. Through the tunnel. Here.
I've been on
You did it. You get on. Go on the bridge and see what's down here.
Yeah.
What do you think's down here?
How much treasure?
Do you think treasure's down here?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Whoa.
Why is there a rope? I guess maybe you can climb down there, but we ain't gonna climb down there.
Yeah.
You wanna climb down there?
Yeah.
You do? There's steps. You wanna walk down the steps?
Don't go in there.
Yeah, let's not go in there.
No. What's in there?
Fish. Turtles. You hear the birds, the geese?
Yeah.
There's a lot of geese, isn't there?
Yeah.
The lake's kind of dried up. That's sad. We need a lot of rain so they'll fill up the lake again for this summer, don't we?
Yeah.
What you think down here? You want to get to the bottom step?
What bottle?
That one. A few more steps down.
Yeah.
Give me your hand. What you think about it?
Think of treasures.
You think there's treasures down in the bottom of the lake?
Yeah.
There could be. You want to go in the bottom and see if there's treasure down there?
Yeah.
You want to get in the bottom of the lake to see? We might have to come back when you're older to do that, won't we?
Yeah.
Ready to get back up?
No, Mom. I want treasure.
Well, let's go see if we can find some treasure. I don't know. It might be buried somewhere.
No, I think I have.
Ooh.
Gosh, I mean, almost fell on it.
You almost fell in the mud?
Yeah.
I wouldn't let you fall.
Yeah.
I'll never let you fall.
Yeah, in water.
Yeah, that'd be nasty, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
All right, let's go back up. See what's up here. Which way you want to go? You want to go that way?
Yeah. No, let me sit down over there.
You want to sit on that one?
No way.
All right, we'll go this one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's wet.
Yeah.
It's okay. You want to stand up? I'll
Yeah.
hold your hand.
Yeah.
You look what's over here.
Don't drop me in.
I'm not gonna drop you. You think I'm gonna drop you in? I would never do that. This was on the other side?
That way?
Yeah.
There's the.
The ducks are that way, the geese.
Yeah. There's the water. My arm been that way.
Yeah, we've been over there already.
Yeah. Ow.
What?
We do this in the hot.
Oh, it's hot over here.
This, see?
Oh, it's hot on the bench.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that noise?
Sounds like somebody's working over in the houses over there.
Mom,
What?
there's a little Little
Oh,
duck.
that is a little duck, isn't it?
And there's a big one.
Yeah.
It'll lay down
Yeah.
and take a rest. What's that duck doing?
Oh.
We'll take a bath.
Do you think he's going to take a bath?
Yeah. Well, lots of ducks.
Yeah.
Well, look.
No.
Wait, drop me in.
You want me to drop you in the lake?
Yeah.
Why would you want to do that?
No, Mom. Here's a Mom.
What?
Let me put me over there.
You want to go over there?
Yeah.
You want me to throw you over there?
Yeah.
I don't know if I can throw you that far. You think you can land it
Yeah.
on your feet?
Yeah.
What's the ducky doing? I think he was just thirsty.
Freaking eating. What's that? My homie. My homie.
Hold you.
Yep.
You like this park?
Yeah.
You want to come back one day
Yeah.
and bring Sissies and Ian?
And Sissy Savvy.
Yeah, Sissy Savvy.
And Daddy.
And Daddy.
Yeah.
You can show them the ducks.
Yeah. Look. Look.
Yeah, I see a duck.